Need to know about gunshot residue. Overview. Gunshot residue, GSR, also known as cartridge discharge residue, CDR, gunfire residue, GFR, or firearm discharge residue, FDR, consists of all of the particles that are expelled from the muzzle of a gun following the discharge of a bullet. It is principally composed of burnt and unburnt particles from the explosive primer, the propellant, gunpowder, and vaporized lead. The act of firing a bullet incites a very violent explosive reaction that is contained within the barrel of the gun, which can cause the bullet, the barrel, or the cartridge to become chipped. Meaning gunshot residue may also include metal fragments from the cartridge casing, the bullet's jacket, as well as any other dirt or residue contained within the barrel that could have become dislodged. Law enforcement investigators will swab people's hands to look for gunshot residue if they are suspected to have discharged a firearm themselves or were in close contact with one at the time discharge. In order to figure out if GSR is present in an area, chemical tests, such as the modified grease test and the sodium rhodizonate test, are performed. Any GSR samples are collected by swabbing with 5% nitric acid solution and onto a SEM disc for a confirmatory test with scanning electron microscopy. Scanning electron microscopy dispersive X-ray spectrometry, SMEDX, is used to determine the presence of gunshot residue as a confirmatory test. There are both inorganic and organic components in GSR. Organic GSR primarily consists of compounds classified as explosives or additives based on their chemical composition, and they are analyzed by analytical techniques. Hala hala, be careful with guns. Lagi kayo diyan kung san man kayo. Be safe, secure, always, all. More on next postings about gunshot residue and cartridges. Reference: Wikipedia and Forensic Medicine for Medical Students.